it's amazing how little water is actually required to operate the majority of our industrial processes, and yet industry as a whole remains the second largest global consumer of fresh water. Hi, I'm Kevin Gottlieb, Sustainability Assessments Manager at Spraying Systems Company. As the leader of our sustainability efforts, one of my primary goals is to help companies understand their processes more fully so that they can use their water more efficiently. And this is not a new or revolutionary concept. In fact, it's ingrained in the DNA that makes up our natural world. And there are perhaps few better examples of this than right here in Saguaro National Park. Even under some of the most challenging conditions, the park's hyper-efficient namesake, the saguaro cactus, can grow over 60 feet tall and live for hundreds of years, offering a powerful example for industry to follow. Because when you break it down, it's amazing how little water is actually required to operate the majority of our industrial processes, and yet industry as a whole remains the second largest global consumer of fresh water. So, the big question is that water being used efficiently, or is there more that we can be doing? This Earth Day, I encourage you to reflect on that question, and I invite you to join us and the saguaros in making every drop count.